how to set battery charging limit on your Mac. So it's not possible like on iPhone to set the battery charging limit, but we can use third-party app. So you can simply open apphouse.kitchen.com and here you will find this app, which is AlDente. And here is the free download. I already downloaded, so you can do it on your own. And once you download it, this window will appear. You can install it, enter your admin's name and password, and it should be successful. Now you can close this window. Now open your Finder, Applications, and here is the AlDente. Here click through the steps. Now we need to disable optimized battery charging, so go to your system settings, battery, click on this info and turn off optimized battery charging. Now in the top menu bar here is a little new icon, which is that AlDente. So you can open it and open settings. As you can see, many of these features are locked because it's premium, but you can click on charge control and here is the charge limit, and here you can set the charging limit on your Mac using this app. This feature is free. So here set the percentage, it's by default on 80%. This feature limits the battery charging to a maximum capacity, so it should save your battery health. So that's how you can do it using this third-party app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.